Samsung's One UI 9 has just introduced a powerful security upgrade, and it could seriously change how Galaxy phones handle theft. The beta is already rolling out for Galaxy S26 users, and early reports suggest this update isn't just cosmetic. There's something major hiding inside the power menu. According to insights shared by Sammy fans, Samsung has quietly redesigned the shutdown process. On the surface, everything looks familiar, but once you try to power off or restart the device, you'll notice a surprising twist that instantly makes the phone more secure than before. Now, when you tap power off or restart, the phone doesn't simply comply. It demands authentication first. Users must enter their PIN, password, or pattern before the action is completed. That small change could make a massive difference in real-world theft situations. What makes this even more interesting is that biometric options are disabled during this step. Fingerprint scanning and face unlock won't work here. Samsung intentionally limits access to manual credentials only, strengthening protection at the most critical moment. 9to5 Google also highlighted this discovery, noting that beta testers on Reddit began experimenting with the feature. As more users tested it, they confirmed that this behavior is consistent and not just a glitch in early software builds. There's another subtle change too. If you open the power menu and then exit without shutting down, the phone immediately returns to the lock screen. Previously, it would stay where you left off. Now, it forces you back into a secured state. Many users are comparing this to Android's lockdown mode. That mode disables biometrics and requires manual authentication, but Samsung seems to be embedding similar protection directly into the shutdown process itself, making it automatic. And here's where it gets serious. In most theft cases, the first thing a thief does is power off the device. That stops tracking services and makes recovery much harder. Samsung's new system is clearly designed to prevent that quick shutdown. With authentication required before powering off, stealing a Galaxy device becomes more complicated. Without the correct PIN or password, shutting it down isn't simple anymore. That delay alone could help owners track and recover their phones. This approach aligns with the broader industry push towards stronger anti-theft measures. Smartphone security is evolving, and Samsung appears determined not to fall behind. Instead, it's taking proactive steps to protect user data and devices. Keep in mind, One UI 9 is still in beta. Samsung could refine or adjust this feature before the stable version officially launches, but if it stays as it is now, it may become one of the standout security upgrades of the year. For Galaxy users, this isn't just another minor tweak hidden in settings, it's a meaningful shift in how device protection works. Small interface changes can have a huge real-world impact, especially when it comes to theft prevention. That's the latest from TechTorch. What do you think about Samsung requiring authentication before powering off? Is this the right move for security, or does it add extra hassle? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll see you in the next one.